Okay, it's a pretty cool level. I like this one. It's where we get introduced to zombies and where we get the grenade launcher, which is a pretty fun weapon to use, especially in VR. So before I made some changes to how the weapon works. Usually when you fire straight, the grenade would just go up a little bit, but now it just goes exactly where you shoot, so you're forced to aim a little bit towards the ceiling when you're playing in VR, and that's quite fun. I'm also a fan of this model. It's pretty simple, but you know, it's a nice handled tube that shoots grenades. It does the job. Let's see if I can get some grenades in there. Oh my god. I'm really bad at this. Oh, kinda worked out. I have 8 HP. It's not very good. I mean, I should not have used the grenade launcher, but it's fun. Oh, here's the shambler moment. Oh god. Can't believe I just died. Fine, let's do it again. A little bit cleaner this time. Better use of weapons. So we got a lot of nails in this level, so I'm just gonna use nails quite a bit. Just finish him off like that. I also increased like the speed of the nails. It wasn't bad before, but it didn't give you like the feeling of shooting a machine gun. It was a little bit too slow, and enemies used to just walk into the nails you were shooting, which was quite annoying. It feels nicer now. Okay. So if I recall correctly, shamblers have a little bit of immunity to explosives. Like they get less damage. So I'm gonna try to use nails for them. I should probably not waste them on these guys. There it is. Ow. I think there's gonna be another one. Yep. Fortunately, I have this little door where I can shoot through, and they kind of follow me, which is quite nice. But in other levels, this doesn't really happen a lot. Ooh. The iron sights are useful even with the shotguns. It's pretty fun to aim. Where's the other one? Okay. So you may notice sometimes the enemies are stuck in the walls and ceiling. It's because I made the hitbox smaller, and the way that Quake does collision detection for levels is quite weird, and it relies a lot on like the hitbox of the enemy, and the boundaries are compiled into the map itself, so it doesn't really work well many times. But the hitbox were way too big before, and it just ruins the immersion because you can just shoot enemies and hit them even without aiming, which is quite annoying. These guys are annoying as well. Get him. Where's the other one? So if you haven't played Quake before, zombies need to be killed by explosives, otherwise they just come back up. They cannot be killed unless you give them. This is fun, it forces you to switch weapons. See if I can bounce some grenades on that guy. Please! That's a really annoying spot. I probably need to bounce them. Doesn't really work. Maybe like this. Okay. Let's see what else is there. There's a guy up there. Oh. Almost dead. Again. What's the point of this? Is there a secret? What about down here? A bunch of stuff. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh my god, there's so many. So now I have the key, yes. So I have to go back to the big yellow door. And I'm sure it's not gonna be without enemies. Are they fighting each other? Yeah, that's good. So yeah, like in Doom, enemies can fight each other in Quake. It's pretty cool. They just need to accidentally damage each other and they'll just, you know, try to kill each other. They don't really care about accidents. So I don't remember what happens here. Oh yeah, there's this kind of trap thing. I think I should just go down here. Kill these zombies. Oh. God. I don't want to get splash damage there. So the rocket launcher and the grenade launcher share ammunition in Quake. See if I can find some useful angles to kill this guy. See, these are the cool things that VR allows you to do. Maybe it's cheating, but I'll just call it clever use of virtual reality. Then I'm gonna jump on the steps. Get the stuff, press the button, and kill some more zombies, apparently. Sometimes I forget there is a floor in real life. See, that's proof that I am immersed in Quake 1, which is quite nice. Oh, but this level is so long. I'm out of nails. There also must be a way to get up there. Maybe shooting these things. Or that thing. What did that do? Oh yeah. See, when in doubt, just shoot every wall you see. I guess I'm supposed to jump properly. Oh, never mind, that's fine. The wall looks suspicious. Nothing there. Let me see how much. No, I'm getting crushed. Psych. I can't remember what happens here. It doesn't look nice. Oh, this is what happens. Oof. Can I get back up? Or did I just lose? Probably say the game. I found a fatal flaw in the game. Oh no, there's a slip gate. They thought about it for stupid people that fall down holes. I'm not gonna let that guy live. Here we go. Should I finish him with the axe? Obviously. Oh fuck. Well, I wasn't expecting that. Whew.